Hi guys. Um, I just wanted to show you the squishy that I made. It's a little cat. It's adorable. See, I made it out of a pottery sponge that came with my pottery wheel. And I just thought I'd make a really cute squishy. See, it's adorable. I made his little Sharpie because I want to make Sharpie out of ears. Ears out of Sharpie. Sorry, I got my words mixed up. And it's adorable. And then here's the back. Yep. So that's it. Oh, and just in case if you guys were wondering, I am in 5th grade now. It's amazing. Bye.